Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making a grapefruit lemonade lip gloss. So we have our Versagel and oil already in the bowl to go. We have our grapefruit pieces, and I don't have a lemon flavoring, so I'm using this orange cream. And we have our yellow pigment, and that's pretty much all you need for this gloss. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix my Versagel first. I'm gonna add my pigment. And I'm gonna add my orange cream. I have my consistency that I want. In order to have your grapefruit pieces, or your any fruit pieces you use, in order to have them spread out really well in your tubes, you have to use some Versagel to kind of place them in the tube. So I'll show you how to do that. I'm just going to take a little bit of my Versagel, just a little bit. I put a little bit of grapefruit slices on a paper towel, and I'm going to use my pipette to put them in there. So I'm just going to dip the end of my pipette into the Versagel. I'm going to pick up one, and you want to just place it wherever you want in there. Sometimes it's a bit tough, but you can get it done. So I have a few in here. I'm gonna do it to the second one. And now I can fill. And this one is not all the way full, but I'm not selling these, so it doesn't matter. There you have your fruit gloss. This is how our grapefruit lemonade comes out. It's sheer and yellow, so it'll come on pretty clear. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will catch you on my next video.